Hi, my name is Braylon, and these are the things I wish I knew before attending McNeese, Part 2. Now, one of the first things I wish I would have knew is that communication with your professors is very important. I quickly had to realize that staying after class is very important as opposed to when it was in high school. I straight up wanted to leave. These professors have masters or doctorates in the career field that you want to pursue. So talking to them is very important if you want to get ahead. You can even start your conversation with, "How's your day been today?" which can lead to something far much bigger and get you further ahead than you ever thought you could in your college experience. When you begin to communicate with your professors, you'll begin to realize how much they care about this university and how much they care about you, the student. I can think of times when the professor pulled me to the side to give me an honest critique. I can think of times when they lifted me up when I felt down. I can think of times where they just gave me opportunities that I never thought would be possible as an undergraduate. Many students have gotten a part of research programs, internships, and so many other great things because they just talked and they didn't just fill out notes and leave the class. Many students can attest that the professors are very engaged on campus and love their students. Most of your professors eat in the caf like you do, and they may want to sit and have conversations. They're not just people in your class that teach you and just go home. They care about McNeese, and they are willing to be your friends and your peers if you allow them to. And that's going to wrap up all the time I have today for What I Wish I Knew Before Attending McNeese. Stay tuned for more parts, and until next time, go Pugs.